Welcome back to Natural Hub. Today we're diving deep into the world of bitter melon and exploring its extraordinary health benefits. Bitter melon, also known as bitter gourd or Mamordica tarantia, is a tropical vine with a long history of use in traditional medicine. In this video, we'll delve into the science behind bitter melon's health benefits and discuss how you can incorporate it and other natural remedies into your daily routine for optimal health. Let's get started. Let's begin with the incredible health benefits of bitter melon. This unique fruit is packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins C, A, and K, as well as minerals like potassium, iron, and magnesium. However, what truly sets bitter melon apart are its potent bioactive compounds such as charantin, vicine, and polypeptide P. One of the most extensively researched benefits of bitter melon is its role in managing diabetes. Studies have shown that bitter melon contains compounds that mimic insulin, helping to lower blood sugar levels. Incorporating bitter melon into your diet or taking bitter melon supplements can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce fasting blood sugar levels, making it a valuable addition for individuals with diabetes. Bitter melon is also a powerhouse when it comes to boosting the immune system. Its rich antioxidant content helps combat free radicals, reduce inflammation, and support overall immune function. Regular consumption of bitter melon can help fortify your immune defenses, making you more resilient against infections and illnesses. Moving on to digestive health, bitter melon is a fantastic ally. It's a rich source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, prevents constipation, and supports a healthy gut microbiome. Additionally, bitter melon contains enzymes that improve nutrient absorption and promote regular bowel movements, contributing to overall digestive wellness. For those focusing on weight management, bitter melon can be a game changer. It's low in calories but high in nutrients, making it an excellent choice for those looking to shed pounds. Moreover, bitter melon may help regulate blood sugar levels and curb cravings for sugary foods, supporting healthy weight management goals. Now that we've explored the myriad benefits of bitter melon, let's talk about how you can incorporate it into your diet. Bitter melon can be enjoyed in various culinary creations such as stir-fries, soups, salads, and even smoothies. You can also opt for bitter melon supplements in capsule or extract form for added convenience and potency. In addition to bitter melon, there are several other natural remedies that complement a holistic approach to health. Herbs like turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon boast anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, promoting overall well-being. Herbal teas such as chamomile, peppermint, and green tea also offer numerous health benefits, from relaxation to immune support. And there you have it, the remarkable health benefits of bitter melon and other natural remedies. Whether you're managing diabetes, boosting immunity, supporting digestion, or focusing on weight management, integrating these natural solutions into your lifestyle can lead to profound improvements in your health and well-being. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health insights, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching, and here's to a healthier you.